muscle action. One hand straight. You see, mommy, I'm not trying to restrict his legs because I just want him to be active. Yes. Tired? Tell me when you... Okay, don't want anymore. Okay, let's turn. Yeah. Okay. Jangan marah. Here. Ian. Yeah. Yes. Okay, teacher, give again. Oh, so happy. Yes. Oh,
Where is it?
yes, it's so far. Okay, teacher, move here. Yes. Tick-tock clock, tick-tock. Uh-oh, no more sound.